Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Bio exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the number of multiple-choice questions and free response sections. Next, identify the major units covered, such as evolution, cell processes, and genetics. Finally, begin gathering your study materials, like textbooks, notes, and practice exams, to create a solid foundation for your preparation. To master the core concepts, start by organizing your study materials into logical units. Use active recall methods, like creating flashcards for important vocabulary, diagrams, and biological processes. Don't just reread, actively test yourself. Supplement your notes with reliable online resources and your textbook to deepen your understanding of complex topics. Focus on understanding the why behind the what. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Regularly work through multiple-choice questions to identify areas needing more review. For free response questions, don't just answer them. Analyze the scoring guidelines and sample responses to understand what the graders are looking for. Finally, simulate exam conditions by taking full-length practice tests under timed constraints to build stamina and manage your time effectively. As the exam approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to optimize cognitive function. On exam day, eat a balanced meal and stay hydrated. Remember to breathe and stay calm. You've prepared diligently. For a fantastic way to stay hydrated, check out the Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your AP Bio exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.